Hi everybody, today is day 36 of my challenge, and today's question prompted me to come all the way to Maple Beach to show you the answer. Come on through. We're at the model condo for Maple Beach, where you can see from the entrance that we have a dining area, breakfast bar, kitchen, laundry area, living room with a view to the pool, a terrace. This way we have bedroom that has a walk-in closet and also access to the terrace. And down the hall, we have the bathroom, which can also be accessed from the bedroom. So you have access to the bathroom from the bedroom or from the hallway. And this is the question for the day. What is a lockout? I've gotten this question from clients. I've even gotten this question from my daughter. And a lockout is similar to what you see in hotels. It's where there's a double door to either provide access to the other side or to close access to the other side. So the condos in Maple Beach have this feature in all of the 2-bedroom condos, so that you can have a 1-bedroom condo, as we just saw, with the living, dining, kitchen, terrace, bedroom, bathroom, all in and of itself. However, if this door is closed, you have your 1-bedroom condo, and you also have a 1-bedroom condo on the other side. Now, if this door is open, it converts into a true 2-bedroom. So here we have 2 doors. This is the lockout. So let's say these doors are open, then this becomes the 2nd bedroom. You can see we have 2 bedrooms here. On this side versus a walk-in closet, you have wall-to-wall closets that are organized, tons of closet space. And you can see on this side, there are shelves. So this is really neat because it can be used as an owner's closet to keep your personal items, where you can lock it when you're gone, and tenants don't need access to so much closet space. So you actually have your owner's closet actually built into this side of the condo. So you have a bedroom here, you have a terrace off of this bedroom as well. Not much to see outside because it is still a construction site, but at the end it will be beautiful greenery, palm trees, flowers, gorgeous Caribbean style. Here you have your bathroom on this side, which is accessible from the bedroom and also accessible from the living space. So that's also another special feature of Maple Beach, is that the bathrooms are accessed through the bedrooms and also through the common areas. So let's say you close the lockout and this becomes actually another 1-bedroom. So this is a door from the outside, and you have a small living space where you can have, you know, the kids or your friends, but it's private living space, and actually another kitchen here. So 2 kitchens, 2 bathrooms, 2 laundry areas, 2 entrances. I mean, in Maple Beach, you really have it all. Great, great, great for investment, and prices starting at only $235,000. And if you look on my Facebook, I pinned a post where last week we walked from here to the private beach club, literally 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So you are literally just steps from the beach. You can come with a group, enjoy the condo as a group, 2 bedrooms, tons of space. Or if you're coming down by yourself or just with a significant other, you can still be making money off of your investment because you can rent the other side. 2 entrances, very, very versatile. So the question for today is, what is a lockout? It's a double door that converts the Maple Beach condos from a 2-bedroom condo to 2 1-bedroom condos to maximize your income potential. That's it for me today, day 36 of my challenge, and I will see you tomorrow.